Hey, it's Mike, and today I was going to show you a script that I found online to make things a lot easier when you're uh, building your scenes and you want to be able to look at it in run mode without having to figure out, oh, how do I move the camera around? I have to figure out a camera script and all this. So what I found was on the internet, like I was watching. So what I found was I noticed that Messy Coder has this extended Flycam script that he uses in some of his videos. So I said, well, how about if I search the internet for this extended Flycam script? And I did find it. I found it here on Unity's forum. Someone actually posted a copy of what was in the script as part of their question. Because originally this thing was on the Unity 3D wiki, but if you go to the Unity 3D wiki, it's no longer there. That site is not there anymore. So this is an old script, but I just copied and pasted this script, and it's in my GitHub repository, which I'll leave a link down below to. So you can just come in here to the Unity scripts repo, and you can just come in here to the extended flycam.cs and click copy raw file. Then you can go into or you can download it directly actually. You can download raw file as well, and that will download the actual script, save it to your machine, and then you can use it in Unity. So if I want to add it to this scene and fly around in run mode, because right now it doesn't, it's a static camera. All I have to do is take it and drag it into here. So I just dragged it into the scene. It's compiling it. And once it's done, we can add it to the camera. Take the camera and we can add this script to the camera, and it allows you to change the sensitivity, the climb speed, the move speed, slow and fast move factors. So, and if you look at the script itself, it tells you the you have the WASD for moving or arrows, Q to climb, E to drop, Shift for moving faster, Control for moving slower, and N toggles the cursor locking to screen. So you can press Control P to toggle play mode on and off. So if I were to play the scene, now the mouse controls the camera, and I can use WASD to move around, and Control moves slower, and Shift moves fast, and down E is down. It does go through everything, but the, you would have to add some sort of collision logic if you wanted it not to. But this is just so you can fly around your scene in run mode to see what's going on. So often comes in handy. So and then if you want to do end is supposed to lock it gets rid of the cursor, the end key. So if you press it again, the cursor comes back. So it comes in handy when you need to fly around your scene. You don't want to oh, do I need like a first person controller asset or anything like that? Nope, you don't need to. Just use the extended Flycam script and you can fly around your scene and see what's going on. So I will leave a link to my repository down below as I rescued that, and I'll leave a link to the forum post where I found this script as well. So take a look and you can download it, and like, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.